I suffer with cervical vertigo, and I cracked my neck last night. Do you have cervical vertigo? And if you ever cracked your neck to the point where you felt like you were going to pass out, or that you were on a rocking ship, or had some weird neurological things happen, yeah, I have too. And the stupid thing is, they happen in the most bizarre and really kind of innocent movements. For instance, last night I was reaching down to grab my bottle of water when my neck cracked. And it wasn't just a small little crack like you have the cracklings of arthritis. This was more so like an adjustment from a chiropractor. As soon as it happened, I knew what was going to transpire, and sure enough, I started rocking as if I was on a ship in the middle of the ocean. Let me tell you, it sucked.